Hello, this is Lyle Alexander, and today I'm going to share with you a strategy with a $1 billion mission, better deals than money compensation plan to show you that it's entirely possible to leverage just $10 one time on an annual basis and cash flow your way to the top. Uh, in an earlier video, I gave a team strategy of our team plan of either coming in with the $80 outlay to start, which would be their gas, grocery, car club, or $180 to include the $100 cash flow club. Now that's a strategy. Today I'm going to show you a strategy to help those that um, may be in a spot where they could only start with a $10 one time for the gas club and may never have to pay for gas again. So let's just look at this. Now, this is the compensation plan that you see is a 2-up. Therefore, it has nothing to do with a matrix, and all the numbers of people that you will see are actually generations of referrals, and all of those people that you see in this chart, in effect, come up to your front line and pay you. So let's just start out now with the $10 gas club, and we're going to do an example of personally finding 5 people to cash flow this, and everyone in the organization finds 4. This will, in effect, show the 2-up compensation plan with enough people to bring up to your front line. And we're going to just go 5 levels deep just for this illustration. So, you've come in with $10. You go out and find 5 people, and 3 of those pay you $8 each. See here, $8 each. That's a total of 24. You have enough then to go ahead and leverage up to the $20 grocery club. From there, you can take 50 of that in effect, and as of this time, there should be some other organization going on here to go up to the car club, and then you have more than enough here to just from your front line, which all of these people are going to be on your front line anyway. So just for simple numbers, you can cash flow up to that, to the $100 cash flow, and then from there cash flow this up into your house club one time based on an annual basis, and there you're getting more than enough money to get into the elite club. With this one alone, we're looking at $69,192. This proves to you that with just starting out with $10, you can leverage your way all the way to the top. But it doesn't stop there, because we're going to go and take our team. Our team strategy is to go into the elite clubs. And as you can see, you had $69,000. And you could cash flow your way up in all of the 6 elite clubs here. There is another one, the 7,500 is in between the 5,000 and 1,000. But just for the calculation purposes here, you can see that this is way more than what you're earning, more than likely. And so let's go back to the at 3.98 million. You're looking at $4 million in earnings here, but let's go back to the basic beginnings. And here you have, remember we started out in this example of proving that you could cash flow it all the way from the beginning at $10. And then I'll leave a link in the video, information below to get you to that other video that I have. You can find it in my YouTube collection anyway, but also in the more area, the description below, there's links. Any one of those links will help you create your own account, and from your account you can transact all the business. Need any help, everything, just let us know and we'll get your questions answered. You can always, in your back office that you will create, there's the ability to communicate with the company owner too. So This is a great program. Come along with us right now. We'll see you on the inside.